What's going on, beach bums? It's Hani with the Beach Life, and I want to talk to you today about the Pizza Plus option that's been added. For those of you that have been cruising for a while, you remember that they used to have a nighttime snacks feature, and the buffet usually ran between 11:30 p.m. and 1 a.m. And they would have like sandwiches and some pasta, some cookies, and a potato salad, and some fruit, like a fruit salad, and a few other things. And I've showed them in my past videos on the panorama, etc. So that went away as Carnival had announced, and they've now added this Pizza Plus option. So a lot of people are like, "What is that?" Don't even know about it. Some had heard about it, some had not heard about it, but so I kind of dug into it. Those of you who know that follow the channel, I do the Radiance mostly every month, and so this last time around, I decided to dig into it and see. So it starts at 11:30 p.m., goes to 1 a.m., and they'll put out like a little sign on top of where you go to get pizza, what's available. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's now on the menus. So I'm going to bring it into the stream here. So now you can actually bring it up on your phone. So when I was just on there this past weekend, I didn't see it on my phone, but then somebody else was able to get me some screenshots from their phone. That's what you're looking at here. So this was the first night of the Monday. So for the Radiance, it does Monday through Friday. You know, everybody departs, and then the next group comes on Friday to Monday, etc., etc. So 4-day and a 3-day. So this was the Monday night options. So you could see that you could still get your typical pizzas, the options: margarita, fungi, pepperoni, quattro formaggi, prosciutto, etc. But if you look at the bottom there, so that's what the difference is. If you look at the bottom, it's got the Caesar salad, it's got the lasagna, and it's got the meatballs on a hoagie. And you'll see as I go through these slides here that the Caesar salad, the lasagna are consistently there every night, whereas the sandwich changes. So let me just go ahead and go to the. So this I just zoomed in just so you can read the text better. So you got the freshly tossed and served on request Caesar salad, the beef and mozzarella cheese lasagna, and then of course the meatballs on a hoagie, tomato sauce, mozzarella, and arugula. All right. So the next night, the options were a Caesar salad, lasagna, and this time it was an Italian sausage on hoagie and sauteed sweet peppers and onions. Let me zoom in there so you'll see sauteed sweet peppers and onions. Again, this was an Italian sausage on a hoagie. And then for the Wednesday night, in this particular case, again, Caesar salad, lasagna, and chicken parm. So you got the chicken parmesan on ciabatta with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese. So, and what happened was on the Thursday night, in this particular case, it just went back to the original option, which was the meatballs on the hoagie. So Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and then on Thursday night it went back to this and it reset. So yeah, that's what they got going on the Radiance. My guess is that this is going to be a fleet-wide thing, so you might want to confirm. I did check with my friends that are currently on the Legend, and they did say that they had similar options on the Legend. Again, you'll want to just double check. What I want to do is just make you aware of it and make you aware of the particular times that it's available, so you can at least go and ask about it, or look at your app or your Carnival Hub app and look it up and see if it's available, see what's on the menu. So I'm not saying that this is exactly what it's going to be fleet-wide. I don't want to say that because I don't know that for 100% certainty, but at least it'll give you a general idea of what was on the Radiance, and so I know what to look for on your sailing. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below, and I'd be happy to answer them. I'm really good about responding back to your comments. I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm going to start putting together these little type of videos to help out new and sometimes seasoned cruisers that are now coming back to sailing. Some kind of were hesitant to come back, and some couldn't come back because of restrictions, etc. So anyway, this information, this is all new, right? So even if you've been cruising a long time, this is new, or if you're new to Carnival. So anyway, again, my name is Hani. I'm with the Beach Life, and I'd definitely love for you to subscribe to my channel and follow along. Thank you guys. Have a great evening.